Hello students, welcome in e-learning class of St. Michael's Academy. Students, today in this video lecture we are going to solve questions of exercise 5.1 of NCERT book. Now, find the multiplicative inverse of each of the complex numbers. Question number 11, 4 minus 3i. Question number 12, under root 5 plus 3i. And question number 13, minus I. We have to find out multiplicative inverse of these complex numbers. So let us solve question number 11. Let complex number z equals to 4 minus 3i. This is given, this complex number is given. So let z equals to 4 minus 3i. And multiplicative inverse of any complex number z equals to z inverse. This is the sign of multiplicative inverse of complex number z. Z to the power minus 1. This represents multiplicative inverse of any complex number z. It means that 1 by z equals to 1 by 4 minus 3i. 1 by 4 minus 3i is the complete 1 by 4 minus 3i is the multiplicative inverse of complex number 4 minus 3i. But we will not leave this one as it is. We will change this complex number in the form a plus ib. To change this complex number in the form a plus ib, we will multiply this numerator and denominator by conjugate of this complex number. Conjugate of complex number z equals to 4 plus 3i. Conjugate of complex number z equals to 4 minus 3i is equals to z bar. We represent conjugate of a complex number by z bar. It means that z bar equals to 4 plus 3i. We change the sign of imaginary number to find conjugate of complex number. We change sign of imaginary part of the complex number to get conjugate of the given number. Now we will multiply numerator and denominator of 1 by 4 minus 3i by its conjugate, and conjugate of complex number 4 minus 3i is 4 plus 3i. 4 plus 3i upon 4 plus 3i. Now 1 into 4 plus 3i equals to 4 plus 3i upon 4 minus 3i into 4 plus 3i. 4 plus 3i by, students, since we know a minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus b square. We will use this formula here and we will get square of 4 minus square of 3i. This is equals to 4 plus 3i upon square of 4 is equals to 16 and square of 3i is equals to square of 3 is 9 and square of I. Since we know square of I equals to minus 1, so we will put minus 1 on the place of I square. 4 plus 3i upon 16 minus 9 into minus 1, and this is equals to 4 plus 3i upon 16 plus 9. Minus 9 into minus 1 equals to plus 9. Now we can write 4 plus 3i by 16 plus 9 as 4 plus 3i upon 16 plus 9 equals to 25. and this is equals to 4 by 25 plus 3 by 25i, and this is in the form a plus ib, where a is 4 by 25 and b is 3 by 25. 4 by 25 is real part and 3 by 25 is imaginary part of complex number. Student, this is our standard form of the solution. Means whenever we have to find out multiplicative inverse of any complex number, we can use this method. There are simple methods to find out the multiplicative inverse of any complex number. Now we will discuss that method. Let us discuss shortcut method to find out multiplicative inverse of any complex number. If z is complex number, then z inverse is multiplicative inverse of complex number z, and z inverse equals to conjugate of z upon square of modulus of z. Z inverse equals to conjugate of z upon square of modulus of z. Now let us find first of all conjugate of complex number z. Conjugate of complex number z equals to 4 plus 3i. Now modulus of complex number z. Modulus of complex number z equals to under root square of real part. Here real part is 4 plus square of imaginary part, and for this complex number imaginary part is -3, so square of -3, and this is equals to under root square of 4 equals to 16 and square of -3 is equals to 9, and this is equals to under root 25, and this is equals to under root 25 equals to 5. Now let us find out z inverse. Z inverse means multiplicative inverse of complex number z equals to conjugate of z upon square of modulus of z. Here conjugate of z equals to 4 plus 3i. 4 plus 3i upon square of modulus of z. Modulus of z is equals to 5, and this is the square. Now 4 plus 3i upon square of 5 equals to 25. Now we can write it separately. 4 by 25 plus 3 by 25i. This is real part and this is imaginary part. 4 by 25 is real part and 3 by 25 is imaginary part, and it is in the form a plus ib, where a is equals to 4 by 25 and b is equals to 3 by 25. So this is the multiplicative inverse of complex number 4 minus 3i. By using this formula we can find out multiplicative inverse of complex number z very easily. This is the shortcut method to find out multiplicative inverse of any complex number z. Now let us solve question number 12. Let z equals to under root 5 plus 3i. Also modulus of z equals to under root square of real part. Real part is under root 5 and imaginary part is 3. So square of 3. And this is equals to under root square of under root 5 equals to 5 and square of 3 equals to 9, and 9 and 5 equals to 30. 9 plus 5 equals to 14. So, modulus of complex number z equals to under root 14. Now conjugate of complex number z equals to under root 5 minus 3i. Now inverse of complex number z, and its formula is conjugate of z upon square of modulus of z. Here conjugate of z is under root 5 minus 3i upon square of modulus of z. Modulus of z is under root 14. Under root 5 minus 3i upon square of under root 14 equals to 14, and we can write it separately as under root 5 by 14 minus 3 by 14i. This is in the form a plus ib, where a is under root 5 by 14 and b is minus 3 by 14. Under root 5 by 14 is real part and minus 3 by 14 is imaginary part. So we have got the multiplicative inverse of complex number under root 5 plus 3i equals to under root 5 by 14 minus 3 by 14i. Let us solve question number 13. Let z equals to minus I. We can write minus I as 0 minus I, where real part is 0 and imaginary part is 1. So conjugate of z equals to 0 plus I, and modulus of z equals to under root square of real part. Real part is 0 and imaginary part is minus 1. So plus square of minus 1. This gives 0 plus 1 under root 1 equals to 1. Now complex multiplicative inverse of complex number z equals to minus I is z inverse equals to conjugate of z upon square of modulus of z. Now conjugate of z is equals to 0 plus I, and square of modulus z is 1. 0 plus I upon 1, and this is equals to 0 by 1 plus I by 1 equals to 0 plus I. This is the multiplicative inverse of complex number minus I. We can write it as I. Means multiplicative inverse of complex number minus I is equals to I.